Studied about calculus method number. Two methods we have studied. So what was calculus method? VA plus VB is equals to 2VB. This was calculus method, no? Clear number? And yesterday we have studied a point method also. We have taken those points which are connected with the blocks, pulleys and the ropes. Okay. Now we are studying another method which is called as virtual work done method. Okay. So the basic concept of this method is, write down. So if string is inextensible, if a string is inextensible, then work done by tension, on both blocks will be 0. Clear, ma? This method is called as virtual work done method. Okay. Let us try to understand this one by taking one example. For example, this is a block of mass MA and this is a block of mass MB. Okay. So tension is a double-sided force, no? So tension always acts away from the tied end. What will be the direction of tension? Tension eppudu kuda kattesina vaipu nunchi bayitiki untundi. Clear? So string is tied at this point, no? So it is away from the tied end. So here also it is tied here, no? So tension will be away from the tied end. And this is what kind of string? This is an inextensible massless string. Mass is considered 0 and its length also cannot change. Are you able to understand, ma? So because this is a massless string, here if tension is T, here also tension will be T only. Clear, no? So therefore what I write? For massless strings, so tension remains the same. Tension remains the same on both sides. Okay, ma? On both the sides of the string, you will have same tension. In which condition? If it is a massless string. Are you able to understand, ma? Okay. Now let us see. So consider this block moves by a distance of x. Okay. If mass MB moves by a distance of x, then mass MA will move how much distance, ma? Mass MA also will move by a distance of x only, no? So both of them, they will travel same distance because they are connected by what kind of string? Inextensible string. It means the length of the string cannot be changed. Okay, ma? So if you take a distance between any 2 points in this string, this distance always remains constant. That is called as inextensible string. Are you able to understand? So therefore, if one body moves by a distance of x, another body also moves by same distance of x only. Now can you say what is the work done by tension R? Clear, ma? So what is the work done by tension on block A? Can you say, ma? Tension is a kind of force only, no? Tension is a type of force only. Now can you say this tension can do how much work on this block MB when it has moved by a distance of x? Can you say anybody? 0. Fs cos theta. Okay. So work done formula we know, Fs cos theta. Okay. Force is how much? Force is, here tension is the force, no? So instead of force I will write tension. Displacement. Displacement of the block is how much? X displacement. Clear, no? Cos theta? 180 degrees. Displacement is in this direction. Tension is in opposite direction, no? Why tension is in opposite direction? Because already we said that tension will be always away from the tied end. So here we are tying the rope, no? Ma? Tension will be away from the tied end. So tension is in this direction, but block is moving in which direction? Block is moving in opposite direction. So angle between tension and displacement is angle 180 degrees. So I will write here cos 180. Are you able to understand? On block B is minus T into x. Work done by same tension on block A is how much more? plus t into x, because cos 0 value is 1. So therefore, what is the work done by tension on block A? It is plus t into x. Clear? Now if you see here, work done by tension on block B is minus t into x, but work done by same tension on block A is plus t into x. Clear now? So therefore, total work done by tension is how much? Total work done by tension on both blocks is 0. Why it is 0? Minus t into x plus t into x. Total it will become 0. Clear now? So this concept is called as the basis of virtual work done method. Are you able to understand now? So tension is definitely a force. So it appears as if it is doing some work. Are you able to understand now? So on individual bodies, definitely it is doing work. On one body it is doing negative work. On another body it is doing positive work. But if you add the total work done by tension, then total work done by tension is 0. Are you able to understand ma? It means tension is not able to do any work finally. Finally on the total system, work is not able to do any work. But on individual bodies it is able to do some work. So this is the nature of tension, and this method we can call it as virtual work done method. Are you able to understand? Come on, make a note up to here. So therefore, what I write here that on individual bodies, clear ma? Tension can do some work. Okay ma? But on the total system, work done by tension will be how much? 0. Clear? So it appears as if it is able to do some work, but actually tension cannot do any work on the total system. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? ఇండివిజువల్ బాడీస్ పైన వర్క్ చేస్తుంది కానీ సిస్టమ్ మీదకి వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఇట్ కెనాట్ డూ ఎనీ వర్క్. ఫైన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో దేర్ ఫర్ హౌ కెన్ ఐ రైట్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మ్యాథమెటికల్లీ? ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ మ్యాథమెటికల్గా ఎలా రాస్తామో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Okay, ma? So I will write on a system, summation of Tx cos theta is equal to 0. So this method is exactly what is called as virtual work method. Clear ma? Summation of Tx cos theta is 0. So what is meant by T? Tension x, displacement theta, angle between tension and displacement, Tx cos theta, work done, summation of Tx cos theta, total work done on every body. That's the meaning of this one. No? Tx cos theta means work done by tension on one body. Summation of Tx cos theta means the sum of work done by tension on all the bodies. So totally it should be how much? It should be equal to 0. Okay. So if there are only two blocks, you will write t1 x1 cos theta 1 is equal to plus t2 x2 cos theta is equal to 0. If there are 3 blocks, you will write 3 terms. If there are 4 blocks, you will write 4 terms. Are you able to understand? Ma? So therefore, for example, I can write like this. So t1 x1 cos theta 1 plus t2 x2 cos theta 2 plus dash dash. Totally it should be equal to 0. So this method we can call it as virtual work done method. Have you understood, ma? That's it. Very simple. Clear? Now let us write some simple examples to understand how to apply this virtual work done method. So again we will take the same previous example which we have taken. For example, this is a pulley. Are you able to understand? Ma? So this is one block and this is another block. Clear? So consider this block has moved by a distance of 2 meters, block B. Then what will be the distance moved by block A? Can you say, ma? So this is the system. Already we have done the same problem in calculus method also, same problem we have done in point method also. Now I am trying to do the same problem in virtual work done method. Okay? See how you can apply virtual work done method and you can get that. 2. In which direction? Upwards direction. That is by using common sense, no? If this block comes down by 2 meters, this block will move upwards by 2 meters. Clear now? But this one you have to prove by which method? By using virtual work done method you have to prove. Fine? Come on. See how you can prove that. This problem based on virtual work method to dini manam cheddamo. See ma. While doing virtual work method, first of all we have to distribute tensions. Tensions ni distribute chesukovali. See ma idanta oke rope kada. This total is a single rope nama. Single rope kabatti, so everywhere you will have same tension. That's it nama. Because it is single rope, everywhere you will have same tension. Tension anta oke vidhangane untundi. Clear? And what will be the direction of tension? Tension will be away from the tied end. That also we have studied now. Tension will be away from tied end. Okay. So let us use some common sense. If I assume that this body, okay. So because same string is present, tension will be same everywhere, no? And this is a massless string. Okay. See, if this block moves downwards, definitely this block will move in upwards direction. No? So let us assume that this is moving in upwards direction. Okay. So therefore, how can I do this calculation? So how many blocks are there totally? 2 blocks are there. No? So I will write 2 equations. Clear? How can I write 2 equations? T1 x1 cos theta 1 plus T2 x2 cos theta 2 will be equal to 0. This is how I will write 2 equations. Clear number? So therefore, what is the tension acting in the first string? Tension acting in the first string is a T. Displacement of the first block? 2 meters. Okay, ma? And what is the angle between tension and displacement? 180 degrees. Tension is upwards, 2 meters is in downwards direction, no? So cos 180. Clear? Cos 180 plus. What is the tension in the second string? T only, because if this is tension, this is also T only. Clear, ma? So again tension is T2. Displacement of the second block, I don't. So I will write x. Clear? But definitely I can write angle is cos 0 only, no? Because tension is in upward direction, displacement is also in upward direction. So therefore I will write it is cos 0. So total should be how much? Total should be equal to 0. Are you able to understand, ma? Now tension, if I take common, if it goes to the other side, it will become 0 by tension, no? 0 by tension will become 0. So I can cancel T and T. Clear? So therefore what I am left with, ma? So 2 into minus 1 plus x into 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x value is equal to 2. Clear? So that's the answer which I got. Okay, satisfied now? And I assumed that block A is moving in upwards direction, no? And I got positive answer. Positive answer indicates that my assumption was correct. My assumption was correct. Are you able to understand? That's it. Make a note of this one. So this is how I can use virtual work done method. Clear, ma? I will give you one more problem. Try to answer it. This is the question. Okay, ma? 4 is correct. 4 వచ్చిందా? I don't think 4 is correct. So, same, let us see this one. So, this is the given arrangement, ma. So, here there are some fixed pulleys also, there are some movable pulleys also. This is a fixed pulley, no? This pulley is fixed here. But this one is movable because this rope is movable, no? If rope moves downwards, pulley also moves downwards. So definitely there are some fixed pulleys, there are some movable pulleys. So wherever you see fixed pulleys and movable pulleys, you must use constraint relations. Constraint relations always you have to use. Clear? Now here, how many strings are there totally? 2 strings are there. Because 2 strings are there, this is one string, this is another string. So here, either you can use a calculus method or you can use virtual work done method. Point method cannot be used. Point method we can use in which condition? If only there is a single rope. Single rope only you can use point method. But here we have 2 ropes. No? You have to use either calculus method, that is VA plus VB is equals to 2VP, or you can use the calculus, this virtual work done method. Are you able to understand, ma? So let us use virtual work done method, ma. What is virtual work done method? So it says that the summation of Tx cos theta is equal to 0. This is virtual work done method, no? But here question is based on acceleration. Question is based on acceleration, but here I have distance. So what can I do? Differentiate it with respect to time. That's all, no? So if I differentiate this one with respect to time, okay, ma? Dx by dt, velocity, so the equation converts into summation of Tv cos theta is equal to 0. But still I have acceleration, but here I got velocity. So again what I have to do? Again differentiate with respect to time. Clear, Nama? So differentiating again with respect to time. Therefore again what I will get, summation of Ta cos theta is equal to 0. Because dv by dt is nothing but acceleration, Nama. So Ta cos theta is 0. So these are the three equations which we have in virtual work done method. Summation of Tx cos theta is 0. Summation of Tv cos theta is 0. Summation of Ta cos theta is also 0. Are you able to understand? Okay. Now, Sima, because there are two strings, tension cannot be same in all of them. Okay, we learned first. First listen careful. Because there are two strings, tension cannot be same in all the strings. Tension will be definitely different. Okay. So we will start distributing tension from any one point. మీరు ఏదో ఒక చోట నుంచి టెన్షన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. క్లియర్? I will start from here. So let us consider here tension is T. Okay, ma? Here if tension is T, here also tension will be T only. What is the reason? Same string, no? String is same, no, ma? As far as the string is same and it is a massless string, tension everywhere will be same. But if a string is having some mass also, then it is a different concept. Are you able to understand? Okay. Now can you say here what will be the tension? 2T. How can you say it is 2T? Sima, this pulley is massless. Mass of the pulleys we are not taking. Pulley is massless. Rope is also massless. Rope is inextensible. Are you able to understand? It means that this rope is pulled by these two tensions, no ma? This rope ni, this tension is also pulling it downwards. This tension is also pulling it downwards. Oka rope ni rendu rope laguta unnai kada kindiki. So therefore what will be the total tension? Total tension will be T plus T, 2T. That's all, no? And here if tension is 2T here also tension will be 2T only. So 2T and 2T tension. Okay. Now I got tensions on both the blocks, no ma? Tension on this block is T, tension on this block is 2T. Okay. Now can't I apply this relation? So how many blocks are there totally? 2 blocks. So how many terms I have to write? 2 terms I have to write. So write down. So T1 A1 cos theta 1 plus T2 A2 cos theta 2. Total should be how much, ma? Total should be equal to 0. Are you able to understand? Clear, no, ma? Error. So what is the tension acting on block A, ma? T. Acceleration 2. Angle 180. Tension and acceleration are in opposite direction, no? Cos 180. Plus T2. Tension acting on second block 2T. Acceleration, I don't know. So let us assume this body is going downwards. Okay, ma? Actually, if this body moves downwards, this body should move upwards. But for calculation purpose, let us assume it is coming downwards. Then let us check what is the answer we will get. Clear, no, ma? Let us assume this block B is also going downwards. Clear, no, ma? Tension is 2T. Acceleration of block E is acceleration of block B only. And here also what is the angle between 2T and acceleration, ma? Here also it is 180. So cos 180. Total should be how much? Total should be 0. Okay. So tension and tension goes to the other side and it will become 0. Clear? So therefore 2 into cos 180 minus 1 plus 2 into acceleration of B multiplied by again cos 180. Again it is minus 1. So total it is equal to 0. Clear, no, ma? So 2 is also there, no, ma? So 2 and 2 also they will get cancelled. So therefore what I get? I will get acceleration of block B is equals to minus 1 meter per second. Why? This is the acceleration which I get. Okay. Now can you say what is meant by acceleration is minus 1? It means my assumption that this block is coming downwards, that is wrong. Actually what is happening to block B? Block B is moving in upwards direction with an acceleration of plus 1. That is the meaning of this. Clear? That's all. Make a note of this one. Then I will. So let us see this question. So here movable pulleys 1, 2, 3. 3 movable pulleys are there. No? These pulleys, they can move up and down. But this is a fixed pulley. This pulley cannot move. Okay. And this is block A moving with particular velocity, whose velocity I have to calculate. And velocity of mass B is already given as 10 meter per second. Clear? Okay. Now see ma. So we will try to do this problem in 2 methods. We will try to do in virtual work method also. We will try to do in calculus method also. In both methods we will try to see here. See ma, to apply virtual work method, first I should start distributing tensions. No? So let us see how I can distribute. See ma, it is not that always you have to start from a particular position. You can start from anywhere. And relatively you have to write all the tensions. మీకు ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు టెన్షన్ రాయకూడదు, అక్కడ ఎలా ఉన్నాయో అవి మీరు రాయాలి. ఓకే, సో ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. సో లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ దిస్ టెన్షన్ ఈజ్ T. ఓకే మా, దెన్ హియర్ ఆల్సో టెన్షన్ విల్ బి T ఓన్లీ, నో, బికాస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సేమ్ స్ట్రింగ్. క్లియర్ నో మా? అండ్ టెన్షన్ T and T, here tension will be 2T, here tension will be 2T, here tension will be 4T, here tension will be 4T, that's all, no? And here tension will be 8T, and here tension will be 8T. Okay, that's all. So see the directions everywhere, how I am writing the directions of tension here, such that the tension is always away from the tied end. Clear now? Okay. So after distributing the tensions, now it is very easy to solve the problem. How many blocks are there? 2 blocks, one first block and second block. Clear now? So very simply you apply 2 equations, solve them, you will get the answer. That's all, very simple. So therefore T1 V1 cos theta 1 plus T2 V2 cos theta 2 should be equal to 0. That's all, no? Clear now? And first let us take this body. What is the tension on mass B? Chappali tvarga. T, velocity 10, angle 180. Tension and velocity they are in opposite direction, no? So cos 180 value is -1. So tension on second block 8T, velocity I don't know. Clear nama? So let us assume this block is moving in this direction for calculation purpose. Velocity VA, angle -1. So 180 degrees nama, so again -1, so totally it is equal to 0. So tension and tension, if they go to the other side, 0 by T will become 0. Clear? So therefore what I am left with now? So minus 8 VA is equals to plus 10. This is what I got now. So therefore VA is equals to minus 10 by 8. So minus 5 by 4 meter per second. This is the answer which I got. Minus 5 by 4. And what does minus 5 by 4 indicate? Minus 5 by 4 indicates that my assumption that block A is moving in this direction, that is wrong. So actually it is not moving in this direction, it is moving in this direction. That's it. Clear number? So this is how I have calculated by using which method? Virtual work done method. Clear ma? So same calculation how can I do by using point method? Calculus method. Calculus method use chesi ela chestam cheppandi. Yes. Completed ma this one? Right now. So calculus method. What is calculus method? So VA plus VB is equals to 2VB. This is calculus method number. So velocity of block A plus velocity of block B is 2 times the velocity of pulley. Clear? Now see, for example, consider there is a system like this. Okay ma? So I am taking this system. So this must be this pulley and this string. So this is the arrangement which is present here. Ade kada ikkada unna arrangement. See ma, now here. So consider this block and this mass, they are coming downwards. So let us assume that if this pulley comes down by a distance of 2 centimeter, pulley comes downwards by 2 centimeter, then can you say this block will come down by how many centimeters? ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఆల్రెడీ అప్లై చేయండి. అది VA plus VB is equals to 2VP. క్లియర్ నమ్మా? సో VA plus VB is equals to 2 Vp. Let us take this is Va. Va velocity I don't know. Or he is asking question on displacement to know. So therefore instead of Va what I will write Xa. Clear ma? So Xa plus Xb is equals to 2Xp. Okay. So displacement of block A I don't know, so Xa. Displacement of block B 0 because it is a tied here, no kattes undi kada ikkada. So 0. This is equals to 2 times of displacement of pulley. Pulley displacement is how much? 2. Okay ma? So Xa is equals to 4 centimeter. This is the answer which I got. Are you able to understand ma? So this is how I can apply the formula and get the answer. Now I am trying to say the method without using the formula. Without using this formula, how can I assume by common sense what will be the displacement of point A? Anybody can use it? Formula lekunda, without formula, how can I do it?
So it will be 2 centimeters down. So E block 2 centimeters down. E block tied in the car,
Very good. That is the logic. Excellent. Sima here. Sima, if this pulley comes down by 2 centimeter, if pulley comes down by 2 centimeter, then on this side also, if there is any block here, it should come by 2 centimeter downwards. This block also should come by 2 centimeter downwards. అంతే కదా, ఈ వైపు కూడా 2 సెంటీమీటర్ల బ్లాక్ కిందికి రావాలి, ఈ వైపు కూడా 2 సెంటీమీటర్ల కిందికి రావాలి, అంతే కదా. if I take a pulley downwards, so blocks on both sides should come downwards by same distance. Okay, it means on one side also 2 centimeters of length of the string will be released, on the other side also 2 centimeters of length of a string will be released. Okay, but here it is a tied, no ma? Here it is tied, no? So therefore what this block will do? So by pulley coming downwards, this block definitely it goes by 2 centimeter downwards. But on the other side also another 2 centimeters is released, no? That 2 centimeters also will be pulled by same block. So total this block will move 2 plus 2, 4 centimeter. Because 2 centimeters is released on one side, 2 centimeters is also released on another side also. But one side is tied, no? So this cannot go down. So here the 2 centimeters which is released, that is pulled by first block itself. So or if I draw the diagram, clear ma? So consider this is the new position of the pulley. So pulley has come down by how much distance? Pulley has come down by 2 centimeters of distance. So therefore here also 2 centimeters will be released. Here also 2 centimeters will be released. Okay, no? But this block, what it will do? It will pull this 2 centimeters also, no? Are you able to understand? No? So therefore this block finally goes how many centimeters downwards? It will go by 4 centimeters downwards. Like this you can understand logical. Are you able to understand? No? Now by using this logical explanation, I will try to do this problem. I am not using calculus method. I am not using virtual work done method. Are you able to understand? Ma? See ma, here if this mass mb, if it goes downwards by if its velocity is 10 meter per second, then what will be the velocity of the pulley? Pulley velocity will be only 5 only. That's it, no? Why it is 5 only? Because if this one is going by 4, pulley is coming down only by 2. So therefore if its velocity is 10, pulley velocity is only half, 5 only. Are you able to understand? So velocity of this pulley will be how much? 5. Clear, no? Next go to the next pulley. Now to this pulley becomes a block, no? Ee pulley ki idi block avutundi. Why? Because rope is connected to the center of the pulley, no? Are you able to understand? No? So now if this block, which is called pulley here, if it is going downwards by 5, then what will be the speed of this pulley? Again it will be half of that one, no? So it is 5 by 2. Clear, no? Are you able to understand? Now to this block, to this pulley becomes the block. Now what is the speed of this block? 5 by 2. So speed of this one should be again half of that one. So it is 5 by 4. Understood? No? Now it is 5 by 4. What will be the velocity of this rope? 5 by 4 only, because this rope is connected to the center of the pulley, no? If pulley speed is 5 by 4, rope speed is also 5 by 4. So if rope speed is 5 by 4, speed of this mass also will be 5 by 4. That's the same answer which I got previously, no? Okay, ma'am? So by that method also you can do the calculation without any using pen and paper. Ala choose cheppeyచ్చు answer. Are you able to understand, ma'am? Right down. So we will write an explanation for this condition. Right down. So here for this one I am writing, ma'am. Here if pulley comes down by x centimeter, then x centimeter rope will be released on both sides, but as one side is fixed, both x plus x is equal to 2x will be released on same side which is not fixed. Are you able to understand, ma'am? Clear, no? That is how we do the explanation of this. Okay. సో పుల్లి కిందికి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఈ వైపు కూడా అంతే కిందికి రావాలి, ఈ వైపు కూడా అంతే రావాలి కదా, కానీ ఈ వైపు కట్టేస్తుంది, కిందికి వెళ్ళలేదు అది. అందుకే ఈ బ్లాక్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఆ వైపు రిలీజ్ అయిన లెంత్ను కూడా అది కిందికి లాగేస్తుంది. కామన్ సెన్సే, కొత్తగా ఏం లేదు. క్లియర్? సో పుల్లి 2 సెంటీమీటర్లు కిందికి వస్తే బ్లాక్ మాత్రము 4 సెంటీమీటర్లు కిందికి వస్తుంది. సో వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ పుల్లి ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బ్లాక్. సో డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ 4, displacement of pulley is 2, velocity is 4, velocity of pulley is 2, acceleration is 4, acceleration of pulley is half 2. Clear, no? That's it. So this